Hi, good morning, students. In last lecture, we have seen the definition of rational number and practice set 1.2. So, we will revise again the definition of rational number. The number which is in the form of P upon Q, those numbers are called as rational numbers. P upon Q form means this form is called as rational number, where the condition is Q should not be equal to 0. Got it? So rational numbers may be in the form of 3 upon 4 minus 9 upon 2, any natural number, or integers we can say minus 5, right? So these are the examples of rational numbers. So the number which is in the form of P upon Q, where the condition is Q should not be equal to 0, then those numbers are called as rational numbers, right? In today's practice set, that is 1.2, we will start questions, right? So we have to see in this practice set, compare the following rational numbers. What we have to see in today's lecture, compare the following numbers. So first bit is minus 7 comma minus 2. Compare the following numbers means we have to check which number is greater or which number is smaller, right? So first bit we will check minus 7 comma minus 2. Both the numbers are negative. Minus 7 and minus 2 both are negative. So we will check if A is greater than B. This symbol is used for greater or more than, or bigger than we can say. So if A is greater than B, then minus A is smaller than minus B. What does it mean? Right. Suppose minus 7 is A and minus 2 is B, right? So if, let us suppose if these two numbers are positive, it means plus 7 and plus 2, then generally any student can say 7 is bigger than 2. So the condition is if A is greater than B, then minus A is smaller than minus B. Got it? Here 7 is greater than or bigger than 2, therefore minus 7 is less than minus 2 according to this condition, right? If A is greater than B, then minus A is less than or smaller than minus B, means 7 is greater than 2. If 7 is greater than 2, then minus 7 is smaller than minus 2. क्यों होता है ऐसा है कि माइनस 7 क्यों स्मॉलर देन माइनस 2 है? इसको एक हम नंबर लाइन से देख लेते हैं. सपोज द पॉइंट 0 लाइज is called as origin. Got it? Left of origin negative numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on, and right of origin positive numbers plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and so on. So minus 7 किधर आएगा? minus 7 left of origin. minus 3 के बाद आएगा minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and minus 7. तो छोटी सी बात आप समझ लीजिए कि किसी भी नेगेटिव नंबर्स को चेक करना है या किसी भी दो रैशनल नंबर्स को चेक करना है कि विच इज़ स्मॉलर एंड विच इज़ बिगर. फॉर एग्जांपल हमको दोनों नेगेटिव नंबर्स को चेक करना है कि दोनों में से कौन बड़ा है और कौन छोटा है. तो एक सिंपल सी लॉजिक है, सिंपल सा लॉजिक है आपको समझने के लिए. 0 से जो नंबर जितना दूर रहेगा वो नंबर उतना छोटा रहेगा, याद रख लीजिए. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस एग्जाम्पल, minus 7 is far away from the 0 or minus 2? minus 7, right? क्योंकि minus 2 कहाँ पर है? 0 से सिर्फ 2 पॉइंट के बाद है minus 2, और minus 7 कहाँ आएगा? minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. तो 0 से लेफ्ट ऑफ ओरिजिन कौन सा नंबर दूर है? minus 7. तो जो नंबर ओरिजिन से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड जितना दूर रहेगा एज कम्पेयर टू प्रीवियस नंबर्स टूवर्ड्स राइट, सो वो नंबर उतना छोटा रहेगा. गॉट इट? That's why minus 7 is less than or smaller than minus 2. Got it? Second example, 0 comma minus 9 upon 5. Now we have to check these two numbers, which is bigger or which is smaller. So the reason is, on a number line, minus 9 upon 5 is to the left of 0. गॉट इट? -9/5 किधर आएगा? नेगेटिव नंबर ऑलवेज शोज टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट ऑफ ओरिजिन. नेगेटिव नंबर हमेशा कहाँ आएंगे? ओरिजिन मीन्स मैं बार बार बात कर रहा हूँ जीरो. दिस 0 पॉइंट्स लाई इज कॉल्ड एज ओरिजिन. जो पॉइंट लेफ्ट ऑफ ओरिजिन रहेगा, जीरो से लेफ्ट में रहेंगे, वो सारे नेगेटिव नंबर्स रहेंगे. और राइट ऑफ ओरिजिन जो नंबर्स रहेंगे वो सारे के सारे द नंबर्स लाइज ऑन राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ द जीरो. दोज नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड एज पॉजिटिव नंबर्स, राइट? सो लेफ्ट ऑफ ओरिजिन -9/5 आएगा और जीरो तो यहीं पर हमको दिख रहा है. तो क्या समझ में आया हमको? -9/5 इज स्मॉलर देन जीरो. दैट इज I dot E मीन्स that is 0 is greater than -9/5. Both are same. -9/5 less than 0, or we can say 0 is greater than or bigger than -9/5. So finally our answer is 0 is greater than -9/5. Means क्या समझ में हमको? 0 is always greater than any negative numbers. Got it? 0 is always positive, or we can say neutral, neither positive nor negative, but 0 is always greater than any negative numbers. Now we will see third bit of this practice set. 8/7, 0. Third bit of this practice set is 8/7, 0. Now we have to check which is bigger or which is smaller. So अभी जैसे हमने एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 देखे, वैसे एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3 के बारे में देखेंगे. 8/7 is positive rational number, right? So it lies on right of the origin. That's why 8/7 will be bigger than 0. So we will write the reason. 8/7 lies on right of 0 or origin. Therefore 8/7 is greater than 0, right? Or in short, I can say the final answer of 8/7 will be 1 point something. 1 point something. How? Suppose 8 is in numerator, so that is dividend, and 7 is divisor. 7 ones are 7. 8 minus 7, 1. Now 1 is remainder, that is smaller, so we will take decimal point. It become 10. 7 ones are 7. 10 minus 7, 3, right? चलता रहेगा. मतलब हमको समझ में क्या आया? Why 8/7 is greater than 0? Because answer of 8/7 or quotient we can say is greater than 0, and that is positive number, right? That's why 8/7 is greater than 0. Now we will see fourth bit. -5/4, 1/4. Now what you are observing, students, regarding this example? The denominators are same. The denominator of both the rational numbers are same, that is 4. But we have to check their numerators, which is greater or which is smaller. Then we can decide which fraction is bigger or which fraction is smaller. So first we will write the denominator of both the fractions is same. The denominator of both the fractions is same, that is 4. Now what we have to check? Their numerators. Therefore compare their numerators, right? So -5 and 1 we have to check. So simply you can say -5 is less than 1. Minus 5 is less than 1 because my 5 is negative, 1 is positive. So negative number is always smaller than positive number, right? Therefore this fraction will be less than this fraction. So finally we have to write answer minus 5 upon 4 is less than 1 upon 4. What will be the reason of this answer? Negative number is always smaller than a positive number.